Hi, Pam and Jason. This is Brittany. Thank you, Pam, for allowing me to send this video. I promise to provide you guys with a video with some tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence and optimize your website so you can rank higher in the Google search results. So first, I want to go over the content on your page. Right now, I'm looking for the number of words you guys have. There's not a whole lot of content here. Beautiful. There's a bunch of pictures, but Google loves content. So I would guess there's probably around 100, 150 words on your homepage. We do suggest doing 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I saw that you guys do flooring installation. So I went ahead and typed into Google a search result, flooring installation, Acworth, Georgia. This is a great keyword because it's service-based and also location-based. Flooring installation is the service I'm looking for, and I'm looking for this in Acworth, Georgia. The first result that pops up are these Google guaranteed ads. These have a really great conversion rate of around 40 to 60% according to the data we have collected. And below that is the Google Map Pack. And this is also really great for getting some more business, since 30% of customers will choose one of these businesses for their services. Now below the Google Map Pack is the organic search results. Now 60 to 70% of consumers will choose one of these businesses for their services. So I was looking for where you guys are ranking on this organic search, and you guys are in about in the middle down here on place 7. It's definitely more ideal to be up here in the top 3 so that you are found easier by consumers. Alright, so I want to show you guys this program that we use, and this is a page program we use to research websites and to analyze and evaluate them and how they're doing. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. A DR rating is essentially a power rating that Google gives your website, and a UR rating is the trust. So DR, power, UR, trust. And both of these ratings are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you might find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So essentially, it's like a popularity contest. However, it is worth noting the best backlinks and the highest quality backlinks to have are those that are relevant to your industry and services that you offer, and also those that are from local websites. Those ones will work the best. So you guys have around 1,000 backlinks. It's a really high number, and you guys are doing some great things there because I see that your trust rating is really, really good at 20. So I would continue to maybe get some more quality backlinks so you guys can still raise your trust rating, which will also allow you to rise in the ranks in the Google organic search results. The next thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And citations help you rank in the Map Pack right here in our search result. And this is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of others, and social media accounts as well. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them and be able to show up in the Google Map Pack. So one way to do that is to increase the amount of citations you guys have. Right now you have 46 citations. I would recommend raising that more so y'all can potentially show up in one of the first 3 on the Google Map Pack to diversify your exposure and potentially drive in more traffic. So we have gone over content, backlinks, and citations. And once these things come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, you guys will be able to start getting some more organic traffic into your website, and more consumers equals more revenue. Alright, so that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide valuable educational content on how to increase your online presence and strengthen your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I appreciate some feedback. My contact information is in my email signature. I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.